Novel Crafter vs Sudowrite. Which is the best writing tool for you? Let's get right into it. So let's start with what they do. Sudowrite is a popular AI co-writer built on GPT technology. It's designed to help writers overcome writer's block, expand scenes, rewrite paragraphs, and brainstorm creatively. It's fast, sleek, and surprisingly imaginative. Novel Crafter is a newer, all-in-one tool that goes beyond just AI generation. It gives you a full novel writing dashboard with planning, timelines, characters, and chapters, all structured around your story arc. Now let's break down the feature comparisons. Sudowrite shines when you're already drafting. You can highlight a sentence and ask the AI to rewrite, expand, or even describe with more sensory detail. It's your writing sidekick. Novelcraft, however, is more like a full writing studio. You get outline tools, beat sheets, character sheets, and yes, AI assisted writing too. It's ideal for writers who like to plan and execute inside one system. So if you want to generate content fast and refine scenes with style, Sudowrite is king. But if you want to plot your entire novel and keep everything organized, Novel Crafter is built for that. Now let's look at Sudowriter Pros. It's fast, creative, and easy to use. It helps with writer's block, and there's no need to leave your draft. However, its cons include lack structure or planning features, and it's not ideal for long-form project management. In the case of Novel Crafter, its pros include full novel management suite, great for plotters and organized writers, and it has built-in AI writing and brainstorming tools. Its cons include it being less intuitive for quick drafting, and it's still evolving as a platform. So here's the bottom line. If you're looking for a flexible, fast AI tool to help you generate creative writing on the fly, Sudowrite is a brilliant choice. But if you want an all-in-one writing system where you can plan, outline, and write your novel from start to finish, then Novel Crafter gives you more control and structure. Both of these tools are great, but the best one? That depends on your writing style. And that is the breakdown of Novel Crafter versus Sudowrite, two AI writing tools built for storytellers. So which one would you use? Comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications for more honest AI reviews.